So let's start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. How many hours do you sleep every night?
Sir, I used to be sleep 4 or 5.
Wrong start. In the past you want to say?
No, sir.
Present?
Yes.
Say, I usually sleep.
I usually sleep around 4 to 5 hours, and I think 6 are at least necessity for our life. So I am certain about it, and I'm trying to set up a good schedule for my sleeping. To sum up your question, and I used to be sleep 4 to 5 hours.
I usually sleep. I
Fire.
mostly sleep. Used to be sleep is wrong English. You're breaking the leg of English.
Okay, sir.
English will become langdi. Okay? Yeah. So, how many hours do you sleep every night? For example, I usually sleep for 6 to 8 hours every night. I think minimum 6 hours are necessary for any human being. So, to answer your question, I sleep for 8 to 9 hours. That's it.
Yes.
Used to be sleeping. It's not appropriate here. That goes to past. Is it necessary to take a nap during the day?
Definitely, sir. It supports our stamina during our working hours, and it give a refresh and needed break.
It refreshes us.
Refreshes us and needed break to our body.
It?
Needed break our body.
No, it provides break to our body.
Yes.
All right. So to answer your question, I think it is
good.
quite important to take a siesta. We call it siesta also,
Siesta.
kelula.
Yeah.
Siesta during the
Short
day.
break.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go on. Do old people sleep a lot?
Obviously, sir, mostly old people easily try to get tired after a hectic work, and so there are
Old people don't do any hectic work.
Sorry,
Oh yeah, sometimes they
sometimes
do. Yeah,
hectic work like long drive after
Old people drive long drive.
or early 60s.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਮੰਨ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Answer again.
Yeah.
Do old people sleep a lot?
Yes, sir. Obviously, the old people sleep a lot because they easily get tired as compared to the youngster. And so, answer your question, they are easily they sleep a lot.
Yeah, they sleep a lot, and even they can sleep while sitting on the chair or
Yes.
any time they can sleep. Good. What time do you usually go to bed?
It's an interesting question.
Really? I don't think so.
Yes, sir.
What time do you go to bed is an interesting question.
Yes,
Okay.
I go for bed for sleep around 1 to 2 early morning. And
1 to 2 a.m. Okay.
AM, and when I have to do my attend meeting and related
Meeting, midnight meetings or
no,
what?
on next day meeting.
Next day meeting. All
and
right,
my
all right.
Study work.
Now I understand why this question is
Yeah.
interesting.
Yes, study work.
Okay, okay.
Then I try to sleep early and get up early in the morning.
Okay, all right. Do you find it easy to get out of bed in the morning?
Yes, obviously, sir. It depends on my mood as well as in the work habit. When I have to do more work in my whole day, so I think it is a good idea to
All right, that's good. So just try to stick to the main topic, answer accordingly. 4-5 sentences will be fine. Don't try to speak very fast. Just go on with the normal speed. If examiner doesn't understand you, that will go against you.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Let's go on. Do you think handwriting is still important?
Yes, I think so. Handwriting is still important. We have you make business performance.
Okay.
Your handwriting, and we have to compete with the children and make the deals.
All
So
right.
handwriting is more important.
Good. Do you think computers might one day replace handwriting?
No, I didn't.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Because there is increase in technology, but the handwriting is much important.
Okay.
in
Do you
future.
usually write by hand or write by using computer?
Well, it depends on situation. Well, I'm writing mail and texting with my friends and relatives. Then I use mostly technology, computer or mobiles. But when I'm making notes, so then I will.
Do you think your handwriting is beautiful?
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
Because month ago, my final paper. I do my final
Don't
paper.
give any example of that. Just say my handwriting is not very good because whenever I write, I don't write words properly. Even the letters are not properly written. So to answer your question, in part 1, you don't need to narrate any incident. Okay.
Okay.
Good job. Otherwise, all fine. Keep it up. Keep practicing. You'll be fine. Thank you.